Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I decided to come on live today. I just want us to discuss about what is going on. Um, a lot is happening. A lot is going on in Nigeria. Our brother, our father, our uncle, our leader Mazi Nnamudi Kanu has been in detention for almost 2 years now, and it has been so difficult for everyone to talk about what must happen for him to be released by Nigerian government. But it's getting out of hand. The man is suffering. He seems to be abandoned by everyone. So guys, I want to highlight one or two things why we must pray for Mazi Nnamudi Kanu release. Why we must pray for his release, because I have seen that a lot of Igbo people are calling for sit at home to come to an end, simply because of economy of the southeast, as the politicians likely said that the economy of southeast is going down, that business is no longer functioning as it used to be. Um, Everybody know that it's difficult. It is really difficult to, you know, face what is going on in Southeast at the moment. But let us not forget that life of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is at stake here, because he did not commit any crime. The only offense that he committed is because the only offense that he committed is asking for freedom, Biafra freedom, uh, which he which is what almost all of us, is clamoring for. Every Igbo person is a Biafran. Southeast and South, we are all the same. But Nnamdi Kanu took everything upon himself. He's fighting for everybody. He taking the pens, the shot that is coming from government and from different people, from the politicians. He is the one in the front line fighting for everybody. Now he's in detention, and everybody seems to ignore his condition. Nobody want to talk about it. Nobody want to understand the reason why the sit at home is there. It is true that it's affecting the economy. Everybody must not support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but let the truth be told. If you happen to be your brother or your father, maybe you will not be shouting, "Let the sit at home come to an end." So, guys, if you are one of those people that are against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, maybe because you don't like the way he talk, or you don't like what he have said in the past and all that. In this few years that he have been in detention, and we all can see what is going on in other part of the country, we all can see that the IDP camp, is being opened in different part of the country. It's not that everybody or anybody wish to be in ID camp, but the situation calls for that. People from Benue and from the northeast of Nigeria, they are going through hell, all because of insecurity in the region. So the question is, why is it not the same? Why is it not the same in the southeast? What is the difference? Who prevented it from being established in southeast as it is in the north, or in all the other part of the country, in the middle belt? Um, we all know that it's because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Biafran agitators, ESN, and all the security group that's been sent to secure the southeast, especially the ESN. Why am I saying all those things? It is right time for us, the Igbos, the Southeast, need to appreciate what we have. I'm not saying that you must support Biafra. I'm not saying that you should fight for Biafra and all that. Everybody cannot fight for Biafra, but don't be an obstacle for those who are doing the job. Nnamudi Kanu is out there, suffering because of me and you. If not because of ESN, what do you think that will happen to Southeast? What do you think that people from Benue, what they are going through now? What do you think that it will not be the same thing in Southeast, in Enugu State, or in Imo State, Anambra State, Ebonyi State? People need to understand that Southeast is not only the parts in Nigeria. We have many other many other ethnicities in the country. We have many other ethnicities in the country. You have Yoruba, you have Hausa, but the insecurity is everywhere. So it's not about Biafra. It's not about Nnamdi Kanu. That you are out today. You're not in the IDP camp. It's not because you are smart. It is because someone is there, paving the way for me and you to have freedom to go out for our daily activities. And now that he's in detention, everybody is turning blind eyes, to do the needful. The only thing that Igbo people can boast of now, to air their grudges or to say that, look, enough is enough, is only sit at home. It only sit at home. And this sit at home is not something that you can say, okay, that is every day, only Monday. But people are out fighting, kicking against it, protesting because of politics, because maybe your brother happens to find his way, or or maybe he's one of the governor or senator, or have a political, occupy any political position in the country. So we need to understand the reason why the sit at home is there. It's not that it is good for economy or everybody, or maybe the Igbos are happy about it. But without it, what do you think? How do you think you pass your anger and what is being meant when they are against Igbos? It is very, very difficult for people to understand that Southeast is the key, the only part in the whole country that have made Nigeria to be strong, because people from other part of the world, especially in Africa, other part of African countries like South Africa or Cameroon or Ghana, they all believe that Nigerians are strong, Nigerians are smart, but we all know who made it so. South and Southeast, even the Yorubas, everyone contributed a lot, to make the country to be what it is today. But why I'm making this video in particular is for Nnamdi Kanu release. If you are one of those who are kicking against it at home, you need to rethink. I'm not an IPM member, but looking at the way things are going on, the way things are being done in Nigeria after the election and everything that is going on, even at the moment, you agree with me that the only option that the people have now, to air their view, to show their, what is going on in what they are passing through in the country, is sit at home. The governors and the senators may not be happy with it because, of course, don't expect them to be happy because they are politicians and they're earning a lot, which they're earning what both me and you is not earning. So they are benefiting a lot from the country, and you don't expect them to start, telling you that no, we are supposed to sit at home. They know the truth, but because of what they're benefiting from it, they will always kick against it. So guys, I don't want this video to be long. I just want to air my view on what is going on, because I saw in Enugu State yesterday where some group of people came out protesting, trying to make sit at home look irrelevant in the Enugu State. Unfortunately, thousands of people locked their shop, although governor sent some group of people to, lock their shops and trying to make problem, with them. But it will not work because it has happened in other part of the country before. I remember during the um, former governor of Ebonyi State, who tried his best to do everything. Even he changed his political party. He changed from PDP to APC just to get favor from federal government for him to. He wanted to be president when he believed that they will allocate presidency to Southeast. So he did everything to make sure that that post is being given to will be given to him or something like that. But at end of it all, he failed. Even Senate president, they did not even give it to him. So it is better for ordinary people like me and you, that are not politicians, need to stand on our ground to say enough is enough. Anyway, I will end it here. Thank you so much for your time. If you come across this video, please like and share, comment. Thank you and see you some other time. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye bye.